So it's really the injuries done you a bit of a favour, because you know it's taking the pressure off having to fight, and you just basically healed up and trained.
Yeah, so like obviously at the time it was a massive disappointment, but like it's led to this, and like now a massive fight. So yeah.
So you're coming in, it's a big step up on Friday, and you're coming in as the challenger. You've seen your opponent in the ring, but he is the visiting boxer. It is Falls Park, it is the Conlon Revolution. How much does something like that help you on the night?
Yeah, like it's massive. I fought at the field like the last show, and there was 10,000 people there. I was in a hard fight, and I think the fan base got me over the line. So it's a massive advantage for me.
Well, 10,000 last time, there'll be a little bit less this time, but I'm sure everybody's been starved at boxing. I'm sure the 8,000 or whatever will be there, it will sound like 80,000. Do you not think so?
Yeah, fans are actually back to see fights again, and it's a massive night of boxing with some great fights, and I'm fairly sure they'll make loads of noise.
Well, we look forward to it. We'll see you once more. We'll see you twice more. We'll see you at the press conference tomorrow. We'll see you at the weigh-in on Thursday, and then it's fight night on Friday. The best of luck, mate. We'll see you very, very soon.